This is the SuperFire X60 2000 lumen rechargeable LED flashlight. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Comes in some really nice packaging. It was bubble wrapped up. Inside of here, you're going to get the light itself, little hand strap for you, and a 1-foot Type-C USB charging cable. It feels really well built. Nice grip on here, little pocket clip. It's made out of aviation grade aluminum alloy. It's pretty lightweight, weighs about 10 ounces. It is 5 inches long, about 1 inch across right here. It's a totally zoomable flashlight, which I'll show you in a minute. It is water resistant, and the best part for me, of course, is that it is rechargeable right here on the top, little silicone cover on here. And it will last about 3 hours on a full charge. It's pretty simple to use, and I'm going to show you some nighttime shots on here. It just has one on-off button, and it has 4 different modes on here, which I think is kind of cool. So you press it once, you get bright. You press it again, you get a weaker, lower light. You press it a third time, you get a strobe light. Cool thing is, at any point, if you want to, you can double click it, and it takes you to the super bright light. Here we go. That sheds about 40 feet away from where I'm standing right now. There's the full light right there. There's the low light right there. There's the strobe. That's off. Let me put it back on the full light. Look at that. 40 feet away. It's like Looney Tunes. What? Let me try on the low light. Strobe. Look at that. How about that? Lightweight, fits right in your pocket, made out of metal, and it's rechargeable. SuperFire X60.